How to shift to value creation sales approach from transactional sales approach. And that question is in front of many business owners as well as sales managers. The business environment is changing drastically, and technology has become the part of business and the way we work and the way we interact. Therefore, in case you want to build sustainable and profitable business model, business owners or businesses must shift from transaction oriented sales approach to value creation, and that has 4 steps. The first one is to shift your focus from your products or service or features of your products or service to customer requirements or what they can do for your customers, how they are going to address their problems or business issues, what is the benefit of using your products or service, or on a large scale building that business relationship with you. And that starts with the change in the mental setup or attitude towards customers and doing business. The second most important aspect is qualifying the prospects or doing business with those prospects who can get significant benefit from your product or service or your solution. Therefore, understanding customer requirement, their problems, their business environment is very essential. Therefore, the shift should be from pushing the products to understanding the customer business. The third point is, rather than talking, listening and asking questions in order to understand customer better and what are the real requirements. A salesperson has to develop listening qualities and ability to ask the right questions to uncover the right issues or needs from customers' end. In value creation approach, the focus is always on customer and how can we help him, support him to identify the right solution for his requirements. So that is the most important thing. And the fourth aspect is shifting towards overall customer experience. The salesperson has to give the reason for the customer or prospect to do business with you. That means long-term orientation to business. A salesperson or an organization has to invest in the prospect or customer looking at long-term aspects and interacting with those customers, engaging with those customers to develop that confidence and trust that this is the right partner for me to solve my business problems or issues. And that is the main thing. And this is related to customers' perception. Today, in transaction-oriented sales approach, customer perceives salesperson as just any other salesperson who is there to tell about the products or service. However, when your approach shifts to value creation, then the salesperson has to add significant value. Today, the whole world is changing, business is changing, and it is more technology driven. Therefore, customers are looking for that person who is trustworthy, who can understand what he is selling, who can understand the customer requirements and problems and help him to find the right solution for his business. When that happens, then the customer trusts the salesperson as well as the business organization, and that builds long-term partnership. Whereas in case of transaction-oriented sales approach, the focus is always on quarterly results and also the risk of losing the business when competition gives more attractive deal. The most important aspect for value creation approach is the salesperson has to be expert in his field, and second aspect is he or she must understand customer business.